Hi, I'm Eric Brooks, brand specialist with Alpine Electronics, and we're at the 2019 CES show in Las Vegas, and we're talking about our PWD X5, which is our sound system upgrade in one box. What this gives us is a 165 watt subwoofer in an enclosed enclosure with a 4-channel amplifier that's rated at 25 watts by 4. It also has a built-in DSP. So if you want to add this into an OEM system, you can instantly upgrade the sound of your speakers, time correct and EQ the car so that it sounds its best, and add some low end with the subwoofer. It has an app control, you can stream Bluetooth to it. It also comes with this controller that you can select your sources and your presets all right from the controller, as well as adjust your subwoofer output. This system got a 2019 CES Innovation Award, which we're very proud of. So there you have it. The PWD X5 showed at the 2019 CES show in Las Vegas. Thanks for tuning in.